What if I told you that you could eat Nigerian food every day and finally stop feeling weak, tired, or even anemic? The problem is not always the amount of food you eat. The real problem is how you combine your foods. Many people eat nutritious foods, but their bodies cannot absorb the nutrients properly. Today, I will show you the 14 best Nigerian food combinations that help your body absorb more vitamins and minerals. And these combinations are backed by food science. Number one, beans combination. Beans is one of the most powerful food in Nigeria. It contains iron, protein, zinc, and fiber. But there is a problem. Beans also contain phytates. Phytates can block the absorption of iron. But food science gives us a simple solution. Combine beans with vitamin C foods, for example, pepper, tomato, or citrus fruits like orange. Vitamin C unlocks the iron in beans and helps your body absorb it better. Simple Nigerian examples include moi moi with pepper sauce or beans porridge with orange slices. You can also eat beans with fresh tomato salad. The simple combination can help prevent anemia. Number two, vegetable combination. Many vegetables contain fat-soluble vitamins. These include vitamin A, D, E, and K. But here is the science. Your body cannot absorb these vitamins without fat. So vegetables should always be eaten with a healthy fat source. Good Nigerian options include palm oil, groundnut oil, or coconut oil. Even 1 tablespoon of oil can significantly improve vitamin absorption. Examples include ugu soup cooked with palm oil or okra soup with fish and palm oil. When you add oil, your body actually uses the vitamins in the vegetables. Number 3, milk and calcium foods. Calcium is important for strong bones, healthy teeth, and muscle functions, but calcium does not work alone. It needs vitamin D and magnesium to function properly. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium. Magnesium helps balance calcium in the body. Good Nigerian combination include milk with fish like sardine or mackerel, or milk with leafy vegetable stew. Another powerful example is pap with milk and eggs. This combination helps strengthen bones and teeth. Food number 4, pap or ogi combination. Pap, also called ogi, is one of the most popular Nigerian breakfasts, but pap is mainly carbohydrates. When eaten alone, it may give quick energy, but the energy does not last long. The solution is simple. Add protein and healthy fats. Good combination include pap with groundnuts, pap with milk, pap with eggs, or pap with akara. This slows digestion and helps provide long-lasting energy. This is especially good for children and busy adults. Number 5, iron-rich food combination. Iron is essential for healthy blood, but iron absorption can be blocked by tea, coffee, and some grains. Iron works best when combined with vitamin C foods. Examples include meat or beans with tomato, beans porridge with orange slices, beef stew with fresh tomato salad. This combination helps prevent iron deficiency, that's anemia. Number 6, zinc combination. Zinc is important for immunity, wound healing, and growth. But zinc absorption can be blocked by phytates. Fermented foods help solve this problem. Fermentation reduces anti-nutrients. Examples include ogi with groundnuts, moi moi with fish, fermented beans with vegetables. These combinations help your body absorb more zinc. Number 7, vitamin C boosters. Vitamin C is a powerful nutrient. It helps iron absorption, immune function, and antioxidant protection. Vitamin C also helps generate vitamin E in the body. Good combination include leafy vegetables with citrus fruits, pepper with tomatoes, and spinach, pap with guava. Vitamin C helps your body unlock many nutrients at once. Then food number 8, vitamin D and D magnesium. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones and immunity, but vitamin D needs magnesium and calcium to work properly. Good Nigerian sources include fish like sardine and mackerel, nuts and seeds, leafy vegetables, and don't forget sunlight exposure. Sunlight activates vitamin D in the skin. A great meal example is okra soup with fish and groundnuts, or milk with eggs and sunlight exposure. Vitamin E and selenium. That's number 9, vitamin E and selenium. Vitamin E protects the body's cells, but it works best when combined with selenium. Good Nigerian combinations include palm oil with fish, groundnut paste with eggs, ugu soup with fish. This combination supports heart health, skin health, and immunity. Number 10, fiber and mineral absorption. Fiber is excellent for digestion, but some fibers can reduce mineral absorption. The solution is simple: fermented foods and properly cooked vegetables. Examples include ogi with vegetable soup, fermented beans with groundnut stew. Fermentation helps your body absorb more nutrients. Number 11, tea and coffee timing. Tea and coffee are not bad, but timing is important. Drinking tea or coffee with meals can reduce iron and zinc absorption. The better option is to drink them 1 to 2 hours after eating. This allows your body to absorb nutrients first. Number 12, fruit combination. Fruit timing also matters. Fruits can be eaten between meals for energy, or with iron-rich meals to improve absorption. Examples include orange with beans, guava with meat stew. Vitamin C plus iron equals stronger blood. Number 13, fermented foods. Fermented foods are one of Nigerians' hidden nutrition secrets. Examples include ogi, fermented beans, and fermented vegetables. Fermentation breaks down anti-nutrients and improves the absorption of iron, zinc, and calcium. Then the last one, number 14, simple daily meal combination. Here is a simple daily formula. Breakfast, pap with milk, egg and fruits. Then for lunch, bean porridge with pepper, tomato, vegetables, and fish. For dinner, eat okra or ugu soup with palm oil and fish or meat. Adding fermented foods improves absorption even more. When foods are combined properly, your body uses nutrients much more efficiently. Finally, always remember these nutrients work in teams. Always remember this. Nutrients work in teams. They rarely work alone. The way you combine foods is sometimes more important than the amount of food you eat. Small changes in food combinations can unlock nutrients your body has been missing. In my next video, I will show you 5 Nigerian meals that can help correct hidden nutrient deficiencies in just 1 week. If you want stronger bones, better blood, more energy, make sure you watch the next video. 7 Nigerian foods that block nutrients absorption. Food is medicine. Combine it wisely. Your body will thank you.